Day two. We're gonna go ride Navajo Rocks, and
it's all downhill.
All downhill both ways, and we're gonna do Bull Run and probably 7-Up. My hands hurt. I got calluses that are gonna be blisters by the end of today for sure. How are your hands looking?
There's a little one coming on my pinky.
Oh, you got good hands.
Do you lock that thing? You put the code in?
No, you just push the. Do you need me to go do it? You gotta go lock the door. Can't tell you the code though. Let's go riding.
So many candidates there. If people are willing
to. Are you cold, sir?
No.
No. Paul's not cold. Hi, Isaac. What would I have to do for you to give me your pants? Just tell me. I'm gonna throw something out there. What do I have to do?
I'm gonna have to think about that one.
Okay, I'll come back to you. But I want those pants. Zave, what would I have to do to get your pants?
Do you have $100?
$100?
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This guy knows what's up.
What's your problem, man?
Dude, you cold, Justin? Oh yeah. It's cold. Gotta warm up. Get the blood flowing. Run around. Some more. Oh, it doesn't look that cold, but I promise it's cold. It's windy. The sun's blocked. Woo! Woo! Who's in there? Who's being a weenie? These two! These guys! Big D and Paul!
We're waiting. There's no reason to stand up outside. Just waiting.
It's not because I'm cold. I'm just.
Oh yeah. You just want to.
I'm just resting.
We're gonna ride a trail called Navajo Rocks. It's a new one to us. We'll see how it is. I'll let you know how it goes. Tater Tot just taking a sand bath, huh? Don't worry about it. That's nice, dude. I can make it up this, no problem. That was easy. How come we're not riding up on that? Let's get up on it. Oh yeah. Oh, sure. Sure. Oh boy, woo! Rocks, boulders, just chunks that have like broken off and fallen. It's crazy. Up on top of this mesa and then another mesa, it's nice. But when there's like cool rock things, you just gotta climb on them. Whew, super windy up here, but I'm still gonna fly the drone. Hopefully I don't lose it.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
No.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
Sure. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's a clunker. Oh. Ooh, that was nice.
Did you film that one, Brock?
Yeah. Spends half his energy screaming. Oh, the parking lot. Man, it's there, it's right there. That's, oh, victory. It's right there.
Now can I get back to the van? It's freezing.
So we just rode the Navajo Rocks trail system. We did, there's like different names for the trails in there. It was nice. I liked it a lot. It was pretty cool scenery out there. And we're about to go down Bull Run. It's gonna be a good one. We've done this Bull Run trail before. It's fun.
Everything about you. Everything about you.
Gotta get my spoke fixed on this guy. Dang. Hi, X. Just got back from Bull Run. Excellent ride. Love it. And now these kids. What are you guys doing?
Yo, we're buttering.
What are you doing?
Breads. Buttering buns.
Buttering buns. Having some pulled pork sandwiches on the buttered buns.
Sandwiches.
It's gonna be delicious. Good quality work.
There's some seasoning in there. We have more? Yeah, dude. Wow.
Oh, is this the lacrosse game?
What's BYU? White? Dark. Blue.
Your son's playing in this game?
He's playing in the regional championships.
Oh my.
Kicking Utah's tail right now.
Oh my gosh, what's the score?
4-1 after the first quarter.
That's legit. We're having a little powwow right now and doing an inventory on our climbing gear to do a rappel, a hike and a rappel tomorrow.
10 millimeters, so it's best use. A different rope would be better. You know, and a longer rope that makes it to the ground. We might have to drop off the last 5 feet or so.
That's fine.
So if I nail this again,
Because a single rope rappel could be pretty darn fast with that. So the first person that goes down needs to be somebody strong enough and not stupid.
We're back at it on the road. It's like hot rod week here. Gonna go check out some cars. So Moab is not only a destination for mountain bikers, jeepers, dirt bikers, but every year they have a car show. like a hot rod show. And tonight happens to be a night. The event's gone all week here, and it's Friday night, so it's busy, a lot of people. There's gonna be some sweet rides here, so check these out. It's pretty awesome. Look at that thing! Or this thing! There's like an endless supply of sweet cars here, it's crazy. Look at this! If you're ever in Moab, Utah, and you want to get a t-shirt, you gotta come to the t-shirt shop. This place is amazing, huh, Dad?
Did you retire your pink Moab Bros shirt?
I still have it, I think.
This is a classic, gotta stop place.
Yeah, you gotta stop here. I've gotten many a shirt here. It's cool, you pick out your shirt, whatever color, they just have tons of colors of shirt. You just pick one out, and then up on the wall they have the designs. They have just tons of different designs. So you can kind of like, you can pick as many designs as you want. I mean, you pay for it, right? But you could get like that one on the front, you could get that one on the back. They've got them all over. It's sweet. Get it printed on like hoodies, tie-dye shirts. What else do they have? Something for my baby. If they have like a onesie or something.
I heard you say something about a 3-week-old, so I figured you were probably looking for a onesie.
Looking for something for my baby. Gotta get something, right?
That's right.
For Gemma.
Yeah, little cute thing. What are you gonna put on it?
I don't know. Moab thing, maybe. Yep, just the classic Moab. With the navy blue and what size? Yeah. 6 months. Yes, that looks perfect. It's awesome. You have to stop here when you're in Moab. Get a shirt from here. Love this place. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to try some of these
Yeah, I want to try some of those before.
M&M caramels. Caramel M&Ms. These bad boys right here. You're trying to figure it out. It honestly, it's very similar to like a Rolo, but it has that candied M&M crunch. I like them. Give them a shot. Well, it depends on my mood.
That's very Rolo-like, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
They are really good. To be honest, I would probably still pick peanut butter M&Ms
Yeah, peanut butter
over these. Peanut butter M&Ms are just where it's at. Try them, Paul.
Yeah, peanut butter just doesn't stick in your teeth as much.
Dude, 6:30 is gonna come so fast tomorrow morning. I don't even know why.
Especially when you take some of those blue pills.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to wake up. Ah.
Here we go. We're crazy.